All right, a couple quick tips for you here on the E-Flite Cherokee. The long screws do not go on the landing gear. The long screws do not go on the wing. They go on the landing gear. I had that wrong. Everybody comments on it on the build video. You're right. I had them wrong. The long screws go on the landing gear, not on the wing. The short screws go on the wing. Once you do that, you'll find out they'll tighten up just fine. Second thing. I mentioned of it in the one of the videos that there's some witness marks on the elevator or on the fuselage in front of the elevator. That is actually for the alignment of the elevator. I did that and then I switched it back to another setting and then I went to go fly it, and on the maiden flight it required about 70% down elevator in order to get the aircraft to fly. I quickly got it back down without any incident. A little scary. Changed it back to the witness marks on the fuselage. Flew, no trim required, perfectly balanced, no issues at all. Did the 2200 and the 3300, balanced about the 117 millimeter mark, so a little nose heavy, just fine. And then I tried it again with the 3300 a little bit further forward, so it balanced on the gas caps, just as Rampage had suggested, and that flew great. No issues at all with the flaps. Just make sure that you get your elevator aligned and get your screws in the right spot, otherwise you will be screwed on your maiden.